My name is Mick Fielding and I'm CEO and co-founder of Targetry. Targetry designs and manufactures training systems predominantly for defence. So we support defence forces as well as defence primes in systems they use for testing their own technologies, as well as training with new equipment as it's introduced into service. Targetry was founded in 2019 and we first started trading in 2020. For the first couple of years we had up to around 6 staff. And where we are today in 2025 is 26. So I've certainly grown quite a lot. The systems we developed are very advanced. We produce uncrewed robotic platforms and a range of autonomous systems. The methods we use for producing those are largely ubiquitous, which allows for scalability and production of our systems. And a lot of the technology we've developed is off the back of many years of experience in and around defence, fielding our systems and getting feedback, importantly, from end users. We design our systems in-house, so we do all of the electrical, mechanical, software and firmware design in-house, but we outsource a lot of our fabrication to local companies. And so the vast majority of the systems we build are produced within about a 1-hour radius of our location here in Cunda Park. In terms of the equipment that we need to manufacture our systems, there's little which is really specialised. However, we often work with our supply chain to use the systems or their technology a little bit differently to how it would ordinarily be used. So really pushing the envelope of what can be done with the technology, which allows us to do some fairly unique things. The growth that we've experienced in the last couple of years in Australia has been substantial, but in particular internationally, we're getting a lot more interest and contracts through customers based outside of Australia. So we'll be establishing offices at 2 locations over the next 24 months out of Australia, so that we can provide a complete turnkey solution to customers in those regions and ensure they have the same level of and quality of service that we provide to the ADF and customers in Australia. The MEF network absolutely has been useful for us sanity checking ideas, understanding what the broader goals of the manufacturing community are on the coast. They've certainly been tremendously valuable in linking us into manufacturers on the coast as well. And also just sharing stories and getting feedback from members on what their story is, because often there's parallels and certainly lessons that can be shared. It creates a critical mass for people to move, but either stay in the region and work in these advanced roles or move to the region. And so that's something where we really see this as a holistic benefit to the community. For MEF members coming along in May, we're really looking forward to sharing our story, both from a technology perspective and how we've developed what we have, but also sharing how we've been successful in the defence sector. It hasn't been an easy story, it certainly hasn't been a straightforward one, but we feel as though we've got a lot that we can share and that we're happy to, and look forward to people asking those questions, and we'll respond as usefully as we can.